Hey there, we're back, and today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. Oh, there's Luke. Kate and Luke are helping me. Can you guys say hi? You say hi, Luke?
Hi.
We have some rainy day activities to do today. One is all about rain. So Luke is super excited about our science experiment, and we'll get there. But first, I'm gonna read the nursery rhyme. Read it with us.
Okay.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Asher wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So if we were in class, we would have gone through every single one of you. We would have said, little Cora wants to play, little Atlanta wants to play, little Max wants to play. You want to go through the list?
Little Athena wants to play, little Nora wants to play, little Lena wants to play, little Tenley wants to play, little Bella wants to play, little Madison wants to play, little Landry wants to play, little Easton wants to play, little Rebecca wants to play, little Harris wants to play, little Emily wants to play, and little Amana wants to play, little Everly wants to play.
Yep, I think that's it. We miss you, but we are excited to see you, and we're excited to share this rainy day experiment. So for this one, you're gonna need a clear cup or a clear glass of water, and only your grown-ups can do this, okay? And then we have shaving cream and food coloring. We try to get things that you might have at home, but we gotta be honest, we had to go get food coloring, and I'm surprised we had shaving cream, right, Kate?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so first you fill up the cup with water, and then you put shaving cream on top. Super fun. Let's turn it towards Lukey so you can see what he's got. So we have some water droplets. Luke already has his cup. And Kate is gonna make hers. Oh my goodness. So these clouds are so big, you might not wanna make super big clouds. These clouds are so big, it's gonna take a minute for the rain to go through. Luke, do you want the water droppers?
The littler cloud.
So when it rains outside, the clouds fill up with water that has evaporated from the earth. Maybe from the ocean or a river or streams or lakes, or there's water in the air. I think it was foggy.
Mine already popped up.
Yours did? I think it was foggy outside, and fog is like water vapor in the air. And then those clouds get so full. And once they're super full, once the clouds get really full of water, it starts to rain. And you can see the food coloring start to come through the clouds and rain a little bit. See, mine's starting to rain.
Mine's starting to rain.
And Kata's. So we had some extra little droppers at home. And these are super fun for kids to play with as long as there's no medicine with them. We had medicine droppers, but these little eyedroppers. So that is just like when you see a cloud that gets super full and it starts to rain. Now my kids are going crazy with all the food coloring because they like the different colors.
That's pretty.
Now in science, something we forgot to do in science is before you do the experiment, you look at it and you observe with your eyes. You observe what you think is going to happen. And so we didn't take time to observe that. And then afterwards, you talk about your observations and the things that actually happened. Was that super fun, Luke?
Was it fun?
Was that your favorite? Okay, we have another rainy day activity after. Okay, my kids have had so much fun. Look how many we've had. We've got a whole row
right here
of science experiments.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh boy.
We got a lot.
And because we did another video and it was a little rough. So I'm not saying this one's going to be any better, but second time's a charm, we hope, because we're not doing a third. Okay, The other craft we have is we drew a raindrop. So accidents happen, and that's okay. Oh, Luke is showing you his.
Yep, his is pretty cool. Right, Luke?
All the colors.
Okay, let's get my
All the
hands
colors of
getting
the
wet.
rainbow. Rainbows do come when the sun and the rain happen at the same time. Okay, but we're not talking about rainbows. We're talking about raindrops. So one thing that your grown-up can do is draw a raindrop on a piece of paper. And then you can cut it out with scissors with your grown-up's help, or they can do it for you. And then you have, after you've cut it out, you have a raindrop, hopefully not with food coloring all over it.
Because I do.
And then get a glue stick, and we cut up little pieces of paper. We made strips and then cut up squares. And then Kate, here, look, you want to do one?
No,
No.
it's really fun.
Okay, Kate did this for us. You might have a lot of fun. This is super good with your fine motor. Putting on the glue and then gluing on the blue to make a raindrop. Super fun. And then
When you gotta make it, you self-see the number.
yeah. The
Okay.
last activity, actually I think we have two more. The other activity we have is from Hickory Dickory Dock, and I'm going to send that link to you so you can watch it. But the mouse ran up the clock, and you can make a clock. So you'll need your grown-ups to write 1 through 12, and then you can count with them from 1 to 12, and you've got your little clock. You can glue on the 1, and they can show you where it goes. Another thing, so the last thing that you can do that's super fun is you can have your grown-ups write 1 through 12 on different pieces of paper. And then you can put it out like it's a big clock in your living room, and you can jump from 1 to 2 to 3, and you can count all the way to 12 while you're jumping around the clock. And those are the science and fine motor and large motor and craft that we have for you today. We hope that you have fun doing our activities, and we can't wait to see you in the classroom.